We are pleased to show you the 2016 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front-wheel drive, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.